What's up, everybody? Yeah, back again with this parts dilemma here with this O2 Focus Z-Tech. Here, the one, I'm gonna try to meld these videos into two the best I can because I'm not really computer savvy, literate, but this stuff works killer. Again, the non-hardening one. And you can see I didn't put that much on there. You don't just goop it on. It looks like more than it is. And when I torque this down, it's gonna like fill in the all the distortion and undulations and inaccuracies, or whatever the word I'm looking for. But this is the AutoZone ones. This is flat. Hair high, just a tiny bit flat right here, totally flat. Actually sub-level, right on those corners, sub-level. Yeah, it's a hair high, flat. And then this is the Amazon one. So the two in the middle are the AutoZone, Amazon on the outside. And here, I'll show you again. You can see the thickness of these guys. These two are the AutoZone ones, and these two are the Amazon ones. You can clearly see the thickness. And again, same part number. So, it's not Amazon's fault. It's not AutoZone's fault. And again, I'm just gonna freaking call Ford maybe tomorrow. I'm so busy. I'm freaking swamped with all kinds of work. Upcharge, baby. Upcharge 101. The upcharge guy. Yeah, Harry. Check him out. Man, you gotta make your money. Do what you gotta do. So, anyway, this is crazy. This coming out, this coming out, this coming out. And again, that form of gasket. It's good stuff. Get the soft one, the non-hardening. Like, share, subscribe. High Rev 90. Peace. Aloha.